Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Butler County, Kentucky, southwestern Ohio County, and central Kentucky until 8:45 a.m. At 5:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Morgantown, McHenry, Rochester, Woodbury, Monterey, Huntsville, Mining City, Dimple, and Aberdeen. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Ohio, Kentucky. Tornado watch number 40.